used the 20 volume peroxide with the Schwarzkopf Blondme blue bleach powder. Taking the Blondme bleach powder, I'm just going to do 1 scoop of the powder. So 2 scoops of the developer. Just gonna grab my little brush and give the bleach a good mix. Make sure all the lumps of the mixture is all gone and it's a nice smooth consistency. There's no particular like method that I do to mix the bleach up. I just stir it as much as I can until all the lumps are gone. But it's always easier working with a bigger size bowl, because I find working with the smaller bowls when bleaching can be a little bit awkward. So it's also good to see the whole mixture as well, so you don't miss anything. Give it a good mix up, and now it's ready to apply to my hair. Before I had the dreadlocks, what I would normally do is I would completely cover my hair with coconut oil. Now, I don't necessarily want to put coconut oil on my dreadlocks, so I'm not going to do that step today. But if you guys have loose hair like this, I would recommend putting coconut oil on your hair before you put the bleach on. It just helps protect it a little bit more, just in case you do get any bleach damage. If you leave it on for too long, or if your hair's quite dry, coconut oil is the secret. It helps protect. What was that? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start at the back of my hair. I'm going to pull the dreads apart and brush the bleach on the dark roots, and just do that all over, and then work my way to the front, and then just section the loose hair and brush the bleach on, just like that. So I always have a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me, so I can see what I'm doing. And I also did this for when I made the dreadlocks, to see the back of my head. It's very helpful, so I would recommend having 2 mirrors. So if you've never done this before, definitely. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the bleach and start applying it to the roots. So I'm just going to section my hair with a little clip and work from the bottom up. Once again, you bother me when I'm all about trying to see what I need to stay alive, what I need to stay inside. Once again, all over me, all I want is to be free, wondering what it's all for. Another wolf at my door. Once again. bleaching the back of my head and all the dreads, I'm just going to finish off the loose hair on my front. Just section it, brush the bleach on. Finished applying the bleach to my roots. I'm going to leave this on my head for 45 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it in the shower. So you can see the bleach is already starting to turn blonde. When it starts to turn blonde, this is a good time to double check that you haven't missed any bits, because it should all start to be turning orange. So you can see if you need to touch up any bits at all. So it only took me about 10 minutes to apply the bleach to my roots. If it took me longer to apply the bleach, I wouldn't leave it on for too long. Right, so the bleach has now been on my head for 40 minutes. And you can see that all the brown has now turned blonde. So I'm going to get in the shower and I'm going to shampoo my hair twice with some Head and Shoulders shampoo. I like to use the Repair shampoo. It just leaves my hair feeling extra smooth and silky, and possibly I might condition my hair just a little bit on the ends. I'm gonna give it a good rub down, making sure it is completely rinsed through, and I'll get back to you. Hey guys, so I just got out the shower and I ended up shampooing my hair and then conditioning the loose hair at the front, and this is what it looks like. So if you wanted to have a really white blonde, what I would normally do is I would then cover the bleached hair with a silver shampoo and then leave the silver shampoo on for about 20 minutes, and then that would help bring the bleached hair to the really nice like blonde white colour. So keep on the lookout for the next video coming up, which will be dyeing my hair a new colour. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys.